jingle bells, jingle all the way. What's up to the squad? Oh, I forgot. Okay. What's up to the squad? Welcome back to our video. I'm your host, Tuna Blue, and welcome to Christmas month. Jingle bell. It's a cool intro, I know. But yeah, we're gonna be playing some Naruto. This is not connected to Christmas, but it's still Christmas month because I'm wearing my Christmas hat. My iconic Jigger. His name is Jigger. I'm Digger because he likes to jiggle and I like to dig. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, you have to subscribe because Naruto is our daily routine. I'm joking. Oh, I don't know where. I know what's going on, guys. I think I forgot. Oh, I gotta go meet Sakura and the rest. Anyway, guys, if you haven't noticed, I'm playing Naruto again because the reason I'm playing Naruto is I haven't played it for like 3 weeks now, and that's a streak. Okay, guys, I have some energy now. The reason I have energy now is because I have energy. I just ate some tuna, and tuna gives you energy. Sorry, Jigger, but we need to come up with a new name. Oh, guys. Link in the description if you're link in the description. Comments below what's the name of this Christmas hat. And we're gonna skip this because if you wanna know the story, this is not a walkthrough. This is a Tuna Blue walkthrough. There's a difference. This is why the reason I skipped this in the editing is because it's so boring, man. I don't know what's the reason of me showing them talking. So that's why we're gonna skip.
Well, we can't help.
You're gonna be calling me Naruto, and he's gonna be called Naoto. So, if you can say that, sorry. Only cool people can say that. This is the bluebird fight. Part, you know. This is where Asuma dies. Spoiler alert. Spoiler alert, guys. Yes, Asuma dies.
5 natures: fire, water, earth.
Do you remember?
Sorry, there's an Earth, Wind, and Fire reference. Okay. My nature is human nature. That's a Michael Jackson reference if you didn't know. We're gonna fight? Oh, Kakashi. Kakashi. You're about to get, you know, if you know what I mean. Like, what's the purpose of fighting if you can just Rasengan your enemy, you know what I mean? What? Whoa, that was a good combo, whatever that was. Go KO. I don't know how we're gonna find out my nature by just fighting, but I guess. Okay, am I gonna fight Kakashi again? Cause what's the purpose of fighting him? You're not even gonna know my nature. You just get a piece of paper, then what? You use your chakra, and then whatever happens to the paper is what? Isn't that what? How you?
Hey, come on.
Oh my gosh.
Break, all right?
A lot of people love this part of the story, but I love the pain art more. This guy's a weirdo. Look at this guy jumping. Look at this dude. Look at this weirdo. Why am I going to the training fields? Am I looking at Naruto? This is the last time I'll see him. Why do I keep doing that?
Keep you waiting. Ah, you came. Thanks for doing.
Go. Thank you, Naruto. Finish. Anyway, enough with the loud music. We're gonna be focusing on this, and we're gonna bring it our all. We're gonna be trying to S every fight after this fight. Cause I'm a winner, unlike you losers.
Right.
So that.
I've already told you you are to head to that.
Yes, milady.
Yes, milady.
Back at you.
Yes, milady.
All right.
I don't know what I'm saying. It's time to beat up some immortal butt, and they're both immortals. We could be immortal. Oh look, it's the loser. Sorry. Kiba is such a loser. This weirdo has been doing this 24 hours straight.
Just be quiet and follow me.
That's cold. I gotta admit.
Once we
Well, yeah.
Don't care about this. Can I just skip it? I skip it. Probably people are gonna say, skipper, skipper. How about you skipping? You're probably skipping parts of this video and going at the end because you're a skipper too. Did it, guys. That was fun.
We did.
Now I have to die. Then he's gonna lick the stick and then have this bone transformation thing. Oh. Yes, finally. Finally. Yeah, there. I need to S this. I can S this, but I'm not trying, guys. I said I'll try, but I can't. Where's Asuma? Oh no, he's dead. Why am I so mean to Asuma? I need to stop being mean and start being meaningful to him. Okay, you're dead. That's the C, guys. No need to get emotional. If you want to be emotional, go on the actual episode and watch the actual series instead of watching my stupid series of me playing a game that I already watch and it being so boring that I don't have energy, that I need to have energy.
Okay.
In your mind.
Yep.
I'm getting closer to the end. And when we're there, we're gonna have a cool celebration. No. Reverse. Fudge, I can't reverse, man. Okay, oh. You might be wondering why am I not rematching the game? Cause I know losers like you pressing the rematch button. Cause he can't beat the arms little sleepy. Yes! S and the little golden pig. Did you see that, Naruto? We did it. We did it. Then I have to go there. You could just skip to the scene where they talk. This is so stupid. Our bit of strategy is we let Rupert play. I mean, Naruto, that's my code name. Naruto play the controller and win.
I see.
And get the NES. Right, Naruto? Lightning blade. Are you kidding me? What is that? Get. So you get teamwork makes the work. Fudge, she's licking my blood. You might have licked my blood, but you don't have any blood anymore. We're finally back as Naruto. Let's go. This is my favorite part of the game. I love playing as other characters too, but you know, I just love playing Naruto more than other characters, you know, because it's fun, you know, you could jump and don't look weird because he does that in real life. Before we save them, let's get some scrolls. Because we like to scroll under the battle. That's not really good joke. What are you doing here, old guy? Don't you see there's a fight going there? I think that guy's crazy. Just go, man. Why do you have to ask me if I'm ready, man? And we're going there. What do you want me to do? Sleep before we fight?
You're pretty stubborn.
How can we win it?
Naruto. Where did this guy get his powers anyway? Like he done?
Go!
Like Naruto and the other people, they could just get their powers from this Hidan. Like they could be immortal. Sasuke was aiming for. I mean, not, Vegeta is like finding the immortality. Like he could just ask Hidan where he got it from. What am I talking about? Why do I keep saying what I'm talking about? Why do I keep saying what do I keep saying? There you go, you're dead.
You lost because you underestimated.
This is gonna be a B. Probably a B. There's never been a game where I gotten a C. You never see? I think B is the lowest. Is B the lowest? Because if it isn't, I haven't got the lowest. Yep.
Shadow Ball Jutsu.
What is this? When did you set this up?
A while ago, before we met up.
No way. Don't tell me he led me in here during that fight. No way. Who is this guy?
A deep hole and a mess of paper bombs. Even you must know what's next.
Why? You...
Curses, like chickens, always come home to roost. You can't just let you keep living, running around. That there is your grave.
I won't die. I'll eventually drag myself out and avenge myself.
But you see, this forest is a special place. Only members of my clan are allowed in here. We can watch you for all eternity.
I swear, Lord Jashin will punish you, the severest judgment ever dealt!
You don't scare me a bit. Neither does your god. You and me, we believe in different things.
What?
Me, I believe in...
No will fight.
Good work, Shikamaru.
Thanks.
I bequeath my will of fire to you.
See ya.
I remember watching that. And if I was that immortal guy, I'll probably kill myself. But I can't.
Naruto.
Well, that thing's gonna be boring. You're just in the dirt.
Show you the results of my training? Just watch!
You're meeting your end here.
Just fight!
This time I'll use this one. This! Five-style searing liquid!
Woo! How am I doing this? Oh, this guy's crazy.
I underestimated you slightly.
His shape has changed!
Fudge! I think this guy's crazy now.
You have
I'm gonna die. Let's go. I died. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Am I gonna lose again? One hit, I'm dead. I'm dead.
No good!
crafty little. An attack from below.
Can't be!
Oh! What? Ah! Let's go. We won. We won. We won. Let's go. Let's go. We did it. We did it. We did it. Let's go. What? There's still another one? What? Why?
Burn to ash!
No good!
Against me.
Oh my gosh. Why didn't you touch that? What? What? Yes! I did it! I did it! I did it!
it's over!
Oh, I missed it. Oh, there. Oh, how did I do that? How almost 3 stars? In your face, Kakazu. In your face. Let's go. Yeah. Yes. We did it. Let's go.
All right. Let's see how that jutsu's coming along. Don't you, Sasuke? I guess it's time to pass the torch.
Here you go, the torch.
No way I'm losing.
I wish I was the one eating that ramen.
Through fight after fight, the boys grew stronger. Slowly but
I don't know
steadily,
what's going on.
the era begins to change. From parent to child, from master to student. Strength, technique,
Is
ideas.
that the third
Many other
Hokage?
things have been handed
Isn't he
down.
dead?
A boy walks his path, believing in the ray of light born from his bond.
I don't know what you're talking about.
And in the darkness, too, one who built up his strength in the shadows, a prisoner of his revenge. He, too, is preparing to start down a new path. The time to spread his wings is drawing near.
Is that Sasuke? What in the world was that? I didn't get that at all.
Chapter 4. Heavy Formation.
Heavy, and then it become to the Taka. Was that the Kaka? Sasuke comes up with lame names, you know what I mean? Hey, I don't want to do this mission yet.
How is Sasuke?
Sorry, I skipped it. I need to save it. I've been filming for like an hour. What? What? Oh my gosh. I'll just beat Orochimaru up. What was that?
Is that all you've got?
Okay, thank you for the fight. That's pretty cool. Now, can I save the game so I could get out?
You
Skip. Skip. I didn't mean to play this, guys. I've been playing for 1 hour and 30, 1 hour and a half hour, half an hour and a half a minute, half a demi. Skip. This is the Shala. Why is this old weirdo always doing it? Okay, so I'm gonna return to game mode select and I'm gonna end the video. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll just have a cool outro. Thank you guys for watching, and if you wanna watch some more Naruto videos, you have to subscribe and click the notification so when I'm uploading videos, you're gonna know that I upload. Basically, that's common sense. But Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, like and share it with your friends and your family and your drum sets and your dogs and your cats, I guess, but cats don't really like watching my video. I'm joking. Cats love my videos. They love me. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, Merry Happy Christmas month, and let's do this. Bye!